Guys Fall Time Favor. Episode 1 is coming out today. Please watch it. Here is some clips of episode 1.
Where's my Pop-Tart? I can't go to sleep without a warm Pop-Tart and some milk so I don't pee the bed.
Well, besides that, we have to get, a bed or something. So we can all sleep. We can't just sleep on, cardboard. Yeah. Because it's not very safe.
Thank you, Stitchy5B, for playing Coral and Amy. And please watch it when it comes out. Goodbye.